Other benefits for SMEs includes like main board. All of us know that bringing an IPO takes a very long time, 8 to 9 months, and it could be even a year or more also. And SMEs have always financial crunch and crunching issues. To help them raise equity capital in a very short period, maybe in a couple of months, 2 to 3 months. The regulators have simplified the norms, listing norms, like filing of DRHP, in principle approval of the exchange, in principle approval of the regulator, and public notice for 1 month. These 4 steps have been given a waiver for the SMEs to be going to be listed on the SME exchange. This will cut down the IPO time by at least 6 months. The merchant banker can file the RHP with the exchange with due diligence certificate, and exchange approval would be sufficient as far as the listing of SMEs and SME exchange is concerned. There is no need of a SEBI approval for listing of SMEs. That's a very welcome move, and it is going to really help the SMEs to list on the SME exchange very quick, maybe in a couple of months, and get the capital for their further development and expansion plans. Other benefit for the SMEs is the compliance norms have been simplified. Instead of quarterly reports, half-yearly reports need to be filed, and there is no need for sending the annual reports to the shareholders. All of us know that big companies spend millions and millions of rupees for printing the annual reports and printing the quarterly reports and send to the investors. Here the SME need to file the soft copy of the annual report on its website and send the soft copy of the annual report to exchange, regulator and ROC. And as far as shareholders are concerned, they need to send only an abridged version of the annual reports. That is a summary of the performance of the company along with balance sheet and profit and loss statement. They need to send to the shareholders, which is going to bring down the recurrent cost of compliance for the SMEs substantially. The other benefits include some of the departures from the main board is there has to be minimum investment in the SMEs has to be 1 lakh rupees. Primary market IPO as well as secondary market trading, it has to be 1 lakh rupees. The reason why 1 lakh minimum investment was kept is that only the informed investors need to invest in the SMEs, and probably regulators might have thought to keep small investors away to start with, and all of us know that in SMEs generally the investment is done by the VCs, PE funds, angel investors, HNIs, QIBs, FIIs. So all of us know, and these are the investors, and bigger retail investors are only investing in the SMEs. So, and it is necessary that we keep very small investors away, so that tomorrow if there are some losses, they do not when they burn their fingers, they do not complain that their interest is not taken care. But this 1 lakh investment should not be a problem for as far as investing in SMEs is concerned. There has been SMEs and listed SMEs have been attracting a lot of investment as seen in the last decade, and at the Bombay Stock Exchange we think that this opportunity should come to the retail investors who can take maybe invest maybe couple of lakhs, or small investments who can make up to 1 lakh and above. We thought to bring it to them, and the other benefit that is going to be there for the SMEs is from day one of the listing. We have about 150 members, and some of the members have even branches and franchises as large as a couple of thousand, 3,000, 4,000 branches. So from day one of the listing, from at least lakhs of branches of these members spread across the nook and corner of the country, from there they can get the investment, and they will there is going to be a larger investor base that is going to be created for the SME. They will get a better visibility among the investors, and also the transparency and corporate governance is going to improve significantly. And listing of SMEs is going to give them better alternate funding options. ADRs, GDRs become very easy. and even they can even come later with the follow-up public offers also.